Yo, it's your boy from the video. There are many workout splits to choose from. So which one is the best for beginners? The answer may surprise you. And this split is called the PPL split, also known as the push-pull leg split. This split requires you to train 3 days per week. So this is an example that I wrote on my whiteboard of a push-pull leg split. Pushing muscles include the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pulling muscles include the back, biceps, and forearms. Now if you want to train your core, you can do that on upper body days or every day after your training. Now as a beginner, you don't really need to train it every day because of something called newbie gains. So why is the PPL split the best? There hasn't been a study released on the best workout split specifically for beginners. The main reason for that may be because beginners will experience a lot of muscle growth during the beginner stage of their lifting journey, and I think this workout split will be best for them because they will have a lot more time to recover before training that muscle again than in the full body workout. Because in a full body workout, you would train all of your muscles 3 times a week, and I think for beginners that would be really taxing on their body. Comment down below if you've been lifting for a while. What is your favorite split? Okay, now I want to talk about training frequency. As a new lifter, you really don't need to focus on training frequency, but as you get more advanced, you want to train at least twice a week because the amount of muscle you put on decreases drastically. And as a beginner, you can experience a lot of muscle growth with only training each muscle 1 time a week. But you want to make sure that you are challenging yourself. As someone that's been training for a little over 3 years, I train each muscle twice a week, and I feel like I'm still in the beginner / intermediate phase of my lifting journey.